That sounds so funny, Dad.
The door is making a silly noise.
That squeak is pretty loud. I should fix that door today.
We have tools in the garage, dear. The toolbox is on the shelf.
Can I help you fix it, Dad? I want to learn.
I want to help too. I'm strong and I can carry things.
All right, you can both help me. It'll be fun to learn together.
Come on, kids. The tools are this way.
Wow, there are so many tools here.
Look at all the shiny things, Dad.
Dad, what's that funny thing with the handle?
That's a hammer. We use it to hit nails into wood.
And what's the pointy silver one, Dad?
That's a screwdriver. It turns screws to hold things together.
What's the yellow thing with the little numbers?
That's a tape measure. It tells us how long things are.
What about the twisted metal ones?
Those are pliers. They help us hold small things tight.
Can I use the big drill? I want to make holes.
Be careful with this one. It's sharp and loud. Always ask first.
I get to hold the hammer. It's kind of heavy.
Good grip. You're holding it right.
I have the screwdriver. I'm helping fix the door.
Great. Now let's gather our tools and fix that squeaky door. Here we are. Let's fix this squeaky door together. Watch carefully. I'll show you how to help.
Oops, the little nail fell on the floor.
That's okay. We can pick it up and try again.
Let me tighten this with the big wrench.
Wait, Jack, that's not the right tool for...
Uh-oh, we made the door sound even worse.
I'm sorry, Dad. I didn't mean to break it.
It's okay. Mistakes help us learn. Let's try something different. Let's use oil for the hinge. That usually works. I have something special. It's called door oil.
What does the oil do, Dad?
Wait, I feel something rough right here. The noise comes from this spot on the hinge. Now let's put a little oil right here.
Slowly, just a little bit. Good.
I'll wipe the extra oil. That's my job.
Now let's see if it worked. Here we go. Opening slowly, very slowly.
Yay! The door is quiet now. We fixed it.
We fixed it. There's no squeaky sound anymore.
You worked so hard and learned something new today. Tools help us fix things, and teamwork helps too. Listen, no squeak at all.
The door is so quiet now.
How did it go? I heard cheering outside.
We fixed it. The kids were great helpers.
Look, Mom. This is a hammer, and this is screwdriver.
I learned that wrong tools make the door sound worse.
I learned that oil helps things move smoothly.
And we learned that patience and teamwork help us fix things. Let's go inside. The door works perfectly now.
I made cookies to celebrate your success.
You worked so hard. Let's celebrate with cookies.
These cookies are delicious, Mom.
The best reward for fixing the door.
Today was a great day. We learned so much.
I'm proud of all of you. Good morning, class. Today we start a fun autumn project.
I want to collect every color of fall leaf. Mom, I want to collect all the autumn colors.
That sounds wonderful, Anna.
There's a beautiful trail near the forest.
Let's go this afternoon.
I found my backpack. Let's go fast.
Wow, look at all these beautiful colors.
There are so many leaves.
Look, Mom, I found my first red leaf.
That's beautiful, Anna. Red is a wonderful start.
I found yellow. Look at this one. It's so bright.
This is a maple leaf. They turn red and orange in autumn.
Look at the orange leaves up there. They're so pretty, Mom.
One for you, one for you, one for you.
I have red, yellow, orange, but I need green and golden too.
The path goes down to the creek. Let's see what's there.
Wait, what is that golden color over there? There aren't many colorful leaves here, just brown ones.
I'm tired. Can we go home now? My legs hurt.
We've walked pretty far. It's gonna take time to get back.
Let's work together. We can solve this as a family. But I really wanted all the colors. What if I can't find them?
Wait, look at the water. What do you see floating there?
Green. I see green leaves in the water. And golden. Look, there's golden too. This is perfect.
I got it. I got the green one.
Thank you, Dad. Look at this beautiful golden leaf. I have all the colors now. Red, orange, yellow, green, and golden.
Leaves float on water because they're light. That's why we found these here.
We did it. We found every color.
We make a great team.
Red, orange, yellow, green, golden. Perfect.
I wrote yellow for this one. Is it good?
Warm cocoa for our brave leaf explorers. This is the best day.
Anna, please show us your autumn collection.
I collected red, orange, yellow, green, and golden leaves from the forest.
What a beautiful collection. You worked so hard on this.
Your family helped you too. That's wonderful teamwork.
They are the best.
To Anna and her beautiful collection.
Thank you, family. This is the best project ever. Family time is the best time.